Hi, we are going to start another hair transplantation. So you can have a look at the amount of density present here. So basically this is going to augment the density. That's the main objective of this particular hair transplantation. We're also going to get the hairline a little bit lower to suit his age, but we're going to retain this kind of a shape, and this is the main thing. We're going to get it this kind of density. So he's planning about 2,500, max 3,000 sometimes, yeah. And he's got a good donor side density, so we're going to get him getting very good results. So this is going to be FUE again. So FUE, as I keep mentioning, is a safe, secure, it's a sutureless and a scarless technique. Each follicle from behind is taken. The single follicles, we like to keep it at the front row to make it look natural and to blend, and the multiple graft. That is, some hair follicles have 2-3 roots in them. So that's we call it multiple grafts. We harvest these multiple grafts and put them behind, stack them up behind for the density. So that's going to be the key for this particular guy. Okay. And after which we're going to follow it up with PRP and a cyclical therapy, very essential. I think we can get great results. To the OR now, we're going to start this hair transplantation. It's probably going to take us about 5 hours. We're a team of 6 members. We're also going to have anesthesiologist. So that's the plan. So we're going to get a lot of density in the first row, and then a little less in that row because he already has the density, and then here just to increase the volume. But the main area is the first one, and the second is the zone 2. And so we're going to get him a lot of multiple grafts, especially in between these two, to get the area really, really thick. All double and triple follicles would go there. Inject, give the block, and then make the slits.
காலையில் 10 மணி ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் அட்மிட் பண்ணாங்க ஆப்ரேஷன் தேட்டரில் ஹேர் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக. அதுலேருந்து ஒரு 4 ஹவர்ஸாக ஆப்ரேஷன் வந்துட்டு இருந்துச்சு. எந்த பெயினும் கிடையாது, நல்லா கேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அப்புறம் இப்போ லெச்சுக்காக பிரேக்கில் இருக்கேன். திரும்பவும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க ஒரு 3 hours. எந்த பெயினும் கிடையாது, நல்லா தான் கேர் பண்ணிட்டு நல்லா இருக்கு.
As you can see, over 3,500 harvested. These are being placed in order, and then that's going to get கொஞ்சம் டவுன் பண்ணுங்க.